Who is that? I don't know that person.
That's Leo.
I'm gonna just wait for them to leave real quick. Yeah. Alright. What's up, guys? So today we are filming Sky. I'm sure you guys have seen his car all over the internet and on Instagram. But here we have Juan, Leo, and our boy Kevin over here. That was your name, right, Kevin? My bad. I'm calling it something that's not even the right name. But yeah, we've got a couple stills. I'll insert them. Well, you've seen them before these shots. And we've been getting a lot of photos, which you will see here too as well. But yeah, we're about to start the rollers. And I'll pass it to Juan now. That way he can bullshit.
A-team, what's good?
Focus. So I'll have you go this way and then back up like you're parking. And that will be one shot, okay? I thought you were some random ass like dude like coming out. I was like, bro, get a shot. Okay. Alright. So I'll stand right there, and then I'll just have you pull out. And then find out safe mark 2, okay? Ah! I'm in the way. I gotta get out the way. Dude, I'm gonna read the video in the background. Oh no! Shit!
Billy,
Yo,
I swear you better not make his car look trash.
I got my shadow.
Huh?
Kinda don't like that, but we'll work with it.
Alright, gee.
Alright, so we're gonna meet up with Sky because he just pulled off for that leaving shot. Kinda don't like it, so I might not use it, but you'll see it here anyways. Now we have a kind of insurance, that way he doesn't get hit or anything by the cops. Man, I hate how this camera freaking autofocus on the light. It's so annoying. If I could give like a tip for when you meet with people that have like crazy cars like these, listen to that exhaust. But yeah, thank them for their time because they're risking getting, you know, pulled over, ticketed, all of that. Be professional when you meet these guys, you know. Be professional and thank them for their time. You know, it's the least you could do.
I'm hungry.
Sky's back there. We're on the way to the roller location. All right. Ready? Let's go. Yeah. Oh fuck. Back up. Stop. Turn the wheel that way. That's perfect, yes. I love this. This is really cool. Really, really cool.
Yeah.
All right.
Damn,
New
buddy.
location. See, it's like dark right now because it's like focus on the sky. Like, don't focus on the sky.
The sky or sky?
On the sky. It, like,
Which sky?
look at Leo. Look at Leo. Look. Like, why is he that dark?
That's his natural skin color.
Right? Sis?
He's all natural. We need some services.
But yes,
Services.
we just finished the rollers. We finished the rollers.
I took video. It's all me. Just saying.
You know what? I'm bringing Leo only next time.
Damn. Okay. I drove and took video.
Where's the mic at? I was covering it once. I think it's down here. But yes, we're just gonna get some photos, wrap it up, and then just pretty much end it off. Dude, I hate how dark it is. I'm returning this thing. But yeah, look at that. That looks amazing. Such an amazing build. He's not even paying attention.
He's like, yeah, I think, yeah. I see
But yes,
every day.
follow Gerard Sky at Sky_08G, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think.
Yeah, you're too famous for him now. You don't even know his name.
I know his name. You call him Sky. That's not even his real name.
It's Gerard.
Yeah, you don't even call him by his real. That's disrespectful, bro. Dude, I hate how dark it gets. Jesus Lord.
Leo.
All right, let's wrap it up. Take some photos. Enjoy the photos. Bam. Dude, it looks amazing with the lights.